This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Selenium IDE in Chrome. First, you'll need to install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, locate the puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar. Clicking this icon will launch the Selenium IDE application, ready for you to start recording your tests. It's a straightforward process to get started with test automation. To begin, open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Selenium IDE and press Enter. You'll see the official extension in the results. Click the Add to Chrome button, then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. The installation usually takes just a few moments to complete. Once Selenium IDE is installed, you'll notice a new icon, often resembling a puzzle piece, in your Chrome browser's toolbar. Click this puzzle piece icon to reveal your installed extensions. From the drop-down list, simply click on the Selenium IDE icon. This action will open the Selenium IDE interface in a new window, ready for use. Upon launching Selenium IDE, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Here, you can choose to record a new test in a new project or open an existing one. If starting fresh, you'll be prompted to provide a base URL for the application you wish to test. After setting this, you can begin recording your interactions, capturing every step for your automated tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.